Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Kawasaki Ninja 650. This twin-cylinder sport bike just arrived with only 3,787 miles. Twin-cylinder, fuel-injected, liquid-cooled. It's got the zero-gravity windscreen, fender eliminator. Beautiful. This bike's really in beautiful shape. It's got the grip tape on the tank. Come on by. Make your sport bike dreams come true for just $64.99. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.